Marjorie Barreto isang linggo nga bang na-confine sa ospital, anyari? Ibinunyag ng dating aktres na si Marjorie Barreto na na-confine siya sa ospital kamakailan lang. Wala siyang binanggit kung ano ang naging dahilan, pero ibinandera niya sa kanyang Instagram post ang ilang litrato habang nakarete siya sa kama at may mga nakakabit pa sa kanyang ulo. Makikita rin na binantayan siya ng kanyang mga anak habang nasa ospital. Present sa pictures sina Danny, Julia, Claudia and Leon. OT na rin ang boyfriend ni Julia na si Gerald Anderson at ang mister ni Danny na si Xavi Panlilio. Ayon kay Marjorie, nanatili siya sa ospital sa huling linggo ng Agosto at inamin din na nakaramdam siya ng takot sa nangyari sa kanya. Just as I thought August was about to end quietly, I had to spend the last week of the month in fear and found myself asking myself so many whys, wika niya sa post. Patuloy niya, health is truly wealth. Nothing else matters more than that. Feeling bad I terrified my kids for a while. Moms really don't have the right to get sick. Single moms have to stay in their best form always, caption pa niya. Naikwento ni Marjorie na pinayuhan siya ng doktor na kailangan niyang magkaroon ng healthier lifestyle at subukang iwasan ang stress. Tuldok, nilinaw rin ng dating aktres na mas okay na ang pakiramdam niya ngayon. I'm good now, much better, not 100% yet but definitely a wake-up call for all of us in the family. I need to surrender to God's will and lots of prayers that this doesn't happen to me again, pahayag niya. Say pa niya, just thought of sharing because, you know how there are so many parts of our lives we don't get to share on Instagram. It's not fun all the time, we have our bad days, and in those kind of days I am reminded that I am blessed to have 5 strong and wonderful children and a great son-in-law Xavi and even Gerald who all rushed to hospital late at night. Because Julia was so far away and she needed to be assured I was okay till she got back, chika pa niya sa IG. Sa huli, sinabi ni Marjorie, praying for a better September. Makikita sa comment section ng kanyang post na maraming kapwa-artista ang nagpaabot ng dasal para sa kanyang paggaling. Komento ng TV host na si Mariel Padilla, Mommy Marge. Love you, praying for you. Goodbye stress na talaga. Do everything that makes you happy Mommy Marge, you deserve it. Tuldok, saad naman ng beauty queen actress na si Charlene Gonzalez Mulak, Marge, praying your speedy recovery. Get well soon, folded hands emojis. Komento ng comedian actress na si Melay Cantiveros, praying for you Ma'am She Marge, red heart emojis, take care and get well soon, and fast recovery. Marami nagmamahal sa iyo Moms Hi Marge, red heart emoji. Bukod sa tatlo, ilan pa sa mga nagpahayag ng kanilang well wishes messages ay sina Diane Medina, Arlene Mulak, Joy Soto, Iza Calzado, Neri Miranda, Isabel Oli, Rufa Gutierrez, at marami pang iba.